Okay, welcome aboard. So continue the previous lab that we just deployed App Engine. So you're gonna see on servers we have a version 1, we have a default link for that. We on dashboard you're gonna see different thing. Okay. So right here we have this version, okay. Right here we're gonna change this a little bit. Have a title, we have like a, you can see from here, let's change something here. To deploy a new version. Okay. Let's add some dots here. Just to make that change. I could put some style, but no problem, no need for that. There's a link, refresh and dot. And let's save it. And now we're going to deploy. I'm gonna add something more. I will change this little bit of code. Okay. So let's deploy a new version. See from here we have the version 1. Let's deploy the version 2 with the promote files. Let's create another Docker image. Hope that gets gonna be fast. So we're gonna continue the next lab because it takes for around 4 minutes to 10, so I'm not going to make you waste time.